Bears, it's your girl Rick Seekers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell your mom and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all, when I like a company, I have to double back. If I like a company, I'm doubling back. And even if I like you and I don't double back, I probably don't have the funds to do it. So don't take it personal. But y'all remember last time I showed y'all my journal, which is my content creator journal. Then I ended up getting the matching little wallet thing. I didn't get this from the same person I got this from. I got this from the Gate to match it. Y'all, I just thought it was so cute. But yes, I had to. This is so stinking cute. So I had to double back. And since that's for my content creator, as far as like coming up with ideas to put on my channel, or ideas that y'all brought up to my attention, just writing stuff down so I don't forget. If I don't screenshot it or just jot it down, I just write it down in there. So y'all, I have a journal where I've dibbled and dabbled in storytelling or writing poetry. My thing is, I keep stuff bottled up. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe it's the scorpion bee. Hee hee ha ha. But I actually have a journal where I made little poetry posts of exes that broke my heart. Some people might say, oh, you're bitter. It's not about being bitter. It's just getting out. Like, some people just, want to get stuff out. So I've made, I might read one and I might not, because I think I might publish it if I get that serious. So I was like, maybe not, tomato. But anyway, so I figure, why not have a journal I could use that's going to match what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to say. In the past, I've even written a play. Or I have even written a play, shall I say. Let me talk like I got college degrees behind my name, you heard? So yeah, got this little journal. I got some paper coming, actually, so I can put it in a journal. And I thought this was so cute, but I had to get this holographic one. Y'all, this is so cute. Thank you. Oh, I got stuff falling. Y'all, this is so cute. And this is in the size A5. Holographic, kind of like purplish, pinkish, bluish. Yes, love this. And yes, so yeah, y'all, I thought this was so cute. So cute. So yeah, definitely check out, I'm gonna put right here where I got this from, right here, Ben Rad. Yes, definitely check out like Ben Rad. That website have a lot of cute stuff, whether it's wallets, pouches, planners, planner inserts. Definitely check out the website. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, this unboxing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.